How to add information to your app profile and make it complete. Open One Partner app. You will see the name of your business with an image placeholder on the top left of the screen. Tap on it. Here you will find a list of options. Click on Profile and tap on About Business. You will be taken to a series of screens that will help you update more information about your business. You can add your logo, email address, website details and more. In the next screen, set up the opening hours of your business or organization. If you are open at specific times, select the days and set up the time. Else keep your app as always open. Choose the privacy level for your app. You can either have a public profile, where anyone can connect with your app, or you can choose a private profile with restricted access. I am selecting private. Click on the Save button below. Management section is where you can enter details about the key members of your business or group. Name, photo, designation and contact details can be added here. This will be visible for all the members connected to your app. Similarly, you can add key members to your app as well. The Switch app feature allows you to manage multiple businesses from a single app. The Payment section allows you to monitor the payments that you have received. Payment can be fees, donations, receivables and more, based on the nature of your business or group. Input your bank details and track the payments you have received here. If you click on the name of your business, instead of clicking on the logo, you will be able to open the Business Setup screen directly. A completed profile adds credibility to your business. Are you ready to fill your profile now?